FragWatch here. Today we are unboxing the Pulsar X3 size 1. I also have the size 2 back there, but I got small hands, so we're going to do the 1 for right now. Just do a little boom. Nice. Okay. Got the Feynman right there. Let's see if it can even come close to that. Ooh. Ooh, hey. Oh, weird. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. Make sure to take your tape off. Okay, do this little thing out. Okay, inside our little booklet here, we have nice cord. Nice and soft, braided, nylon-y. I like it. We have a Pulsar playing card. Okay. We have the instruction manual. Something else. Oh, lucky me. A sticker. I do like getting some of this kit stuff in here, as long as they're not spending a lot of money on it. I mean, I guess some of the stuff I like the G-Wolves kind of stuff. It's kind of fun to get, but overkill, you know? But it is a fun unboxing experience, and I feel like you're getting like a premium product, I guess. I don't know. Sometimes I just like to get the product that I'm going to be using. I don't want case badges and shit, I guess. It comes with standard dongle, labeled X3 size 1. Okay, I will put this. Okay, it just goes in there like that. Gotcha. Okay, boom like that. Boom like that. It's the unboxing and reboxing. And you guys can watch me fail at taking this tape off. Most skate related things I'm just like not the best at. Oh, God. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah. Nice. Nice. Like chicken spice. Okay, here we go. How long do you guys think? 10 seconds for me to get this without scratching up the skate. Let's do a close-up. Did I scratch any of those? I didn't. Yes, he's a master. I guess. I don't know. All right, FragWatch here. Thanks for watching the unboxing. The Pulsar X3 size 1 for my little midget hands. And this thing's big for a size 1. Holy moly. Look at that. Or I just have smaller hands than you fucking people. Anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.